welcome to the Savana at Stuart. My name is Stephanie, and it's my pleasure today to show you our one-bed, one-bath apartment called the Savina. It's number 2208. Come on in and let's take a look. So as you enter, here on the left, you're going to see the beautiful kitchen. We have granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. You'll note the under cabinet lighting. And as you move around in the kitchen, you'll see the microwave. It has its own little cubby here, which is really cool. We have a space for your trash can. We have the garbage disposal and a dishwasher. It is a full loaded kitchen. And as you look here, you see these beautiful pendant lights over the bar. And this bar opens right up to the spacious living room. So as we walk around the spacious living room, you'll see the ceiling fan, the light, and this leads us right out to the screened balcony. And this is a hurricane impact door, so it is quite heavy, which means it's very secure in the event of storms. So as we step out, you are going to see here this beautiful view with all the trees. This is like having your very own tree house. Great place for a cup of coffee in the mornings. So as we come back in, we're going to walk through the living room here, and we're going to head around to the bedroom. So here is our lovely bedroom here. You can see the beautiful view again of the trees. We have, of course, the fan and the light on the ceiling. And the closet here is a walk-in closet. I like to walk in so you can see the size. We do have the internet modem already here. It's called the AT&T Instant On. You have your own secure network and password. So as we move around the corner here, your laundry is very convenient to the bedroom. We have the stacked large size washing machine and dryer. And then here's our bathroom. It's a very spacious bathroom actually. We have the linen tower, which is a really cool feature. It's plenty of storage here for towels and sheets, blankets even. Not that we need that many in Florida. But as you come in, we have the same matching granite countertop as in the kitchen. We have the step-in shower. And the step-in shower does feature the glass doors and the tile in the shower wall, which is very nice. And coming out of the bathroom, we have a hall closet. And this they would call a coat closet if we were up north. And from here, you can kind of take a panoramic view of the whole apartment. And I wanted to thank you for joining me on this tour today of our one-bedroom, one-bathroom Savina. The really exciting news is that this particular apartment is on sale today, a special price of $1,895. That's $1,895 a month, and that includes your water, trash, sewer, pest control maintenance, and our fabulous lifestyles program. So I can't wait to talk to you and answer any other questions you might have, but call soon. I'm sure this will go fast. My number is 772-208-7115. Remember, it's Stephanie at the Savana at Stuart, 772-208-7115. Thank you. Bye-bye.